Good afternoon, it's Mark Larson. As all of you probably know, we did get approval to move into phase 3, which is effective as of today. So if you're wanting to know what fits in phase 3, please go to the governor's website and look under phase 3 guidance. There's a lot of things that are still needing to be developed there, but it does allow us to do non-essential travel. I'm still asking you to not travel if you don't need to, because we're surrounded by counties that have high numbers. It allows us to have groups of people of less than 50. I'm still asking you to maintain social distancing and wear a mask, because we are all in this together as we move forward. The reason we're in phase 3 is because we've all worked together to get here and we've reduced our numbers. We have had an uptick in numbers over the last couple of days, and those numbers are really related to those of us getting out and about. So they are not related to any specific business. They're not related to any specific age of people or class of people. It really is a broad spectrum of folks from late teens to early 60s. So be careful out there, maintain social distancing, enjoy the fact that we are in phase 3. It's not a get out of jail free card. It just allows us to move forward and some businesses to start operating again following safety guidelines. So congratulate yourselves and be safe. Let's go to some questions.
We received multiple questions about phase 3 and whether or not people will be able to visit assisted living facilities, specifically the residents therein.
Yeah, so I just checked again. Even though it's been about 10 days, we do not have the results back on our long-term care facility here in the county. We're checking on that again. Based upon those results, there will be recommendations coming out from the governor's office in regards to long-term care facilities. So right now we're still on hold. They are looking at that, and I would expect those things to come out in the next week or so.
So in phase 3, public government buildings are opening up, they're opening up to the public. The question is, will we need to take people's temperatures as they come in? How will contact tracing work for those that visit the government and or recreational facilities? And can a government building require mask wearing by customers, or does that need to come from the state or the county health department?
So each individual business can require customers to wear face masks. Now the governor made a mandate for face masking for all of us, and specifically in Yakima in regards to businesses. So it's no mask, no service in Yakima. So that does not apply to us, but Yakima is our neighbor. And a lot of our positive cases either live here and work in Yakima or live in Yakima and work here. So we should be careful when we're out there. Any business can require masking, including government services. So I'm not sure how each particular business is going to mandate masking or require masking or not for their customers, but you can expect some will do that. Case and contact investigation is going to happen regardless of where we go. So what would happen is, just like anywhere else, if you went to a business and you were positive, we would contact you and talk to you about where you've been and what kind of business that you've been around, the people that you've been around, and that's how contact investigation would work. To protect those people, to make sure that they know that they were at risk, and to make sure that they're protecting themselves and others. So that's contact investigation. So that's it for the questions. I am going to say I'm working closely with Central in regards to opening schools. Central. I'm working closely with the school districts in regards to opening schools. Everybody's moving forward. For those of us in public health, we are so happy that everybody's paying attention to social distancing. For those of you that are wearing masks, I thank you. We will move forward together, and as we move forward together, we'll be able to open more and more things. Phase 4, there are no metrics for phase 4, so I would expect to be in phase 3 for quite some time. As those metrics come out, I'll make sure to talk about them so you have some idea. But just be thankful we're in phase 3. Be careful. Watch out for your neighbors. Thank you very much.